This is Jeremy with Bolt. So a couple of days ago we did a video on how to clean your hat. Actually, this hat right here, which is still very clean. But I noticed when I was recording that it didn't record me cleaning it. So today I have another hat, and this one is much worse than before. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started on that, and we're going to show you again how to clean the hat. We're going to use Bolt. When you get yours, you'll need to open it up. I've already opened this one up, but there is a cap inside. We're going to use the Bolt brush. I was going to use one of these yesterday, but the brush is too coarse and it's fraying the material. So what we're going to do is we're just going to dip our brush in here. We're going to get it nice and bubbly in here. The bubbles are going to do the work, but there we go. We got some nice stuff on there. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to take our brush, we're going to get it nice and frothy in there, and move the brush back and forth in a circular motion. And what that's going to do is it's going to break up all of that dirt and debris and skin and sweat, whatever is on your hat from your head. And I know we all wash our hats differently. I used to throw my hats in the dishwasher and let them air dry, and that just didn't seem to work out so well. And I decided that we're going to use Bolt and see how it works. And as you can see right there, it's already starting to pull all of that up compared to this side. I mean, there's a difference already that you can see. And I'm not pushing real hard. I'm just kind of a circular motion and just getting everything moving. Pulling it out of the little, I don't know if you can see it very well in this, but it's got a nice little texture to the cloth. So this material is probably just to make it so that it doesn't feel uncomfortable on your head. So we're just kind of going in a gentle circular motion, just kind of pulling the dirt out of the material. Now we'll get over to this side here, and hopefully I'm not too far out of camera. I'm trying to get into a position where we can actually see what I'm doing here. And again, circular motion. And if you're working with the hat or shoes and you feel like you need a little bit more, you can always add a little more cleaner. I'm pretty sure I've got more than enough in here right now. We're just going to go in a circular motion until we get it the way we want it. And you know, some hats are going to be way too dirty, and they may or may not clean to the whiteness level that you want them to, or the color level that you want them to be. But this is going to help get a lot of that dirt and debris out of the hat, or any other material that you want to pre-treat even. If I wanted to throw this in the laundry afterwards, I could definitely do that. I could pre-treat it with this, just as I'm doing, and pre-treat it. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to take this rag here, and we're just going to dip, we're going to press and twist, and what that's going to do is it's going to absorb most of that debris that's on top without smearing it in. Going back and forth is going to smear it in. So we're just going to push and twist. So we're just kind of dabbing it. And actually you can see right there that is bringing up that dirt pretty good. So we're just going to keep doing that, and we'll see what it looks like afterwards. And if it looks like it's going to need a little more cleaning, we'll go ahead and we'll scrub it again. But it looks like it's coming up really well for the most part compared to what it was. It looks really well. I missed this spot over here, so I'll probably redo that. But if you look at that compared to what it was before, you can see the difference. And we're going to go over it just a little bit more, just to pull up. There's a spot right here that I missed. I'll pick that up. I find that it's easier to stand up while I'm doing this. Sitting down is a little difficult. Sometimes you can't see real well what you're doing. But standing up, you can look right over it and see the detail coming back. And then we'll get the front just a little bit more. It seems like the front is probably going to be more of a problem area for a lot of you, just because that's really where we're doing a lot more of the patting on the head or whatever. Like for me, when I'm wearing a hat and I'm working, I'll take my hat off and I'll just kind of go like this and then put my hat back down, and whatever dirt and detritus is on my hand is transferring to my forehead and then to my hat. So the brim of my hat gets dirty a lot faster. So, all right, well, we're gonna let this dry, but that is much better. That's like almost white again compared to what it was before. It was really black before. So let's see if I have anything on the back. There's a little bit right there on the back side of the hat, but I'm not going to worry too much about that. So, you know, you can do the same thing with the brim of the hat. If you've got sweat stains on the brim of the hat, you can work on that as well, just by doing the same circular motion and pull those sweat stains right out of the hat. So what we'll do here is just circular motion around the hat. Probably don't need too much on the top. The top looks okay. And just clean that up. And again, we're going to dab it and twist. And that's going to pull that moisture back up out of the hat, as well as the dirt that's inside of it. So we're going to let this dry, and once it's dry, we'll see the comparison between the two. Hey guys, so we're back, and the hat is 100% completely dry. There's no fading. It looks like a brand new hat. If I rub my hands across here, the hat still kind of has that new texture feel to it, you know, when the fibers lay up and down. So you can kind of see that there. I don't know. The fibers just kind of flow. But anyway, so yeah, it cleaned up really, really nice. Get that shadow out of the way there. But there's a little spot that is just in the darker area there that's still kind of gray. But for the most part, man, it cleaned that thing up really well. So, yeah, if you guys have any questions, I'm going to do a side-by-side before and after. But again, if you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them below. You can contact us at info@boltshoecleaner.com. Check out our website at www.boltshoecleaner.com. And yeah, that's it, guys. Have a great one.